Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pull-up bar that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Representative Fitness Wall or Ceiling Mount Pull-Up Bar. REP's wall or ceiling mounted pull-up bar stands out as the best overall pull-up bar. It provides tremendous strength, with a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. This is not common on most pull-up bars, especially those that are mounted, and makes it a hot commodity for those who want to do weighted pull-ups or dynamic forms of pull-ups like kipping. The bar's 1.25-inch diameter is on par with what you'll see on most pull-up bars and works well for lifters of all levels. The sturdy 11-gauge steel, which is what a lot of top-tier home gym equipment consists of, allows you to attach pull-up bands, rings, and straps, and safely perform a variety of movements in addition to pull-ups. For example, you can use gymnastics rings for ring dips, or ab straps for hanging knee raises. This makes the Representative Fitness Wall or Ceiling Mount Pull-Up Bar a versatile tool for those looking to target specific muscle groups and introduce variety into their workout routines. The bar itself can be attached at 2 points, between 14 to 26 inches from the mount, leaving plenty of space for exercises like kipping toes to bar and bar muscle-ups. Just remember to measure your space and confirm you have the room to do these dynamic movements. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Perfect Fitness Multi-Gym Doorway Pull-Up Bar. The Perfect Fitness Multi-Gym Doorway Pull-Up Bar is our pick for the best doorway bar, because even though it is door-mounted, its width can accommodate those who want to do wide grip pull-ups to better recruit the lat muscles instead of the traps. It can fit door frames up to 33 inches wide and up to 6 inches deep, whereas other door pull-up bars can only fit door frames up to 32 inches wide. Perfect Fitness Multi-Gym Doorway Pull-Up Bar presents a versatile workout option that caters to a range of upper body and core exercises, making it an excellent addition to any home fitness regimen. You can attach this pull-up bar to the top of the door frame for pull-ups and chin-ups, or secure it to the bottom for sit-up exercises. You can even remove the pull-up workout bar from the door frame and tilt it on the floor to perform elevated push-ups. The high-density foam allows for a secure, comfortable grip. Its lightweight and compact build also makes it easily portable, enabling you to perform your workout routines while on the go or in different rooms within your home. As you can see, there are a ton of benefits to this pull-up bar, including its reasonable price of around $45, and it's available on Amazon. If you're a Prime member, you can get it shipped to your door for free and start using it within a couple of days. At number 3, we have the Fringe Sport Pull-Up Bar System. The Fringe Sport Pull-Up Bar System stands out as our best wall-mounted pull-up bar due to its massive strength and versatility. It's a well-rounded workout tool for any athlete who desires an intense upper body pulling workout. One of its most beneficial features is its sturdy build, as it's made of 14-gauge steel. While 14-gauge steel isn't quite as sturdy as 11-gauge steel, a lower number means the steel is stronger, this pull-up bar holds a massive 600 pounds. This is among the highest weight capacities I've seen in pull-up bars for home gyms. Depending on your goals, whether you're a strength athlete or a CrossFitter, you can choose from a 14-inch or 22-inch mount from the wall or ceiling. Having multiple options could be beneficial for those who want to incorporate simpler or more challenging pull-up variations. For example, you can use the 14-inch mount so you're closer to the floor and can get support from your favorite weight bench or plyometric box to assist with eccentric lifts that would require you to focus on the downward phase of the movement. This can help if you can't yet perform the upward phase of the pull-up. At number 2, we have the Alley Peaks Pull-Up Bar. The Alley Peaks Pull-Up Bar for Doorway is a portable, user-friendly option that offers convenience and effectiveness for home pull-up bar workouts and starts at a low price of $25. It has a narrow design and weighs just 4 pounds, making it ideal for traveling. Setting up and mounting this pull-up bar is a very easy process. With its unique structure, it can secure to the sides and top of the door frame for maximum security. It does not require drilling or permanent fixtures, which can come as a relief if you're not handy or don't want to ruin your door frame. A top feature of this pull-up bar is its multiple grips that make it a multifunctional piece of equipment. With multiple grip positions available, you can do movements such as pull-ups, neutral grip pull-ups, and chin-ups to change the amount of recruitment between your back muscles, arm muscles, and shoulder muscles, promoting balanced strength and development. And finally, at number 1, we have the Titan Fitness Adjustable Ceiling Wall Mount Pull-Up Bar. We think the Titan Fitness Adjustable Ceiling Wall Mount Pull-Up Bar is the best ceiling-mounted pull-up bar. This sturdy piece of equipment made of 14-gauge steel is a solid choice that can withstand a load of 350 pounds at a budget-friendly price of around $69. Another perk to this product is that it has accessory compatibility, so you can use it with bands and straps to do other types of movement besides pull-up variations. Other exercises you could do are exercises such as push-ups, ring rows, bicep curls, push-downs, and hanging leg lifts for core strength as well. One drawback is that the mounting hardware is not included. As mentioned previously, mounting a pull-up bar to the ceiling or wall is not too difficult, but it depends on your DIY experience. If you are new to mounting any type of furniture, it does require more focus and research, which makes it a tougher process than using a door mount pull-up bar. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.